The survey is now officially closed, and I'm going to announce the results. There were 16 responses to the survey. Here are the breakdowns of the respondents' countries of origin, countries of residence, and native languages. Next, just for fun, let's calculate the conversion rates between the number of respondents and the following two stats. 1. My survey announcement video got 84 unique views, meaning 19.05% of the people who watched my video took the survey. 2. As of recording this video, my channel has 3,387 subscribers, meaning that a staggering 0.47% of my subscribers took the survey. I don't know whether I should rejoice or despair at these numbers. Next, here's a list of Japanese companies, franchises, and products named by the respondents. I won't be reading the names because that would defeat the purpose of my next video. Finally, I'm going to ask for some volunteers who can record themselves pronouncing some of the items on this list in their native languages, specifically only the 42 items that were named by more than 2 respondents. Those 42 items are listed in the description below. First, click the link in the description. You will be redirected to a Google Sheet. On this page, check column A to see whether your language of choice is listed. If not, click on the cell C3 to see people's comments and check whether someone has already started recording for your language. If your language is not taken, then leave a comment in this cell and write the name of the language or dialect you're going to record in. You can write a comment in the cell by right-clicking on the chosen cell and then by choosing Comment in the context menu. After leaving your comment, record yourself pronouncing the 42 items on the list in the description of this video in your native language. Try to sound like the average native speaker of your language who has zero knowledge of the Japanese phonology. You can record either a video or audio, and if you wish, you can also record a 30-second self-introduction to promote your social media. Your social media must not contain any content that I deem inappropriate for my own channel. After recording, please make sure that your file format is either MP3 or MP4. Then please send me the file at my email address. If the file is too large to send via email, you can upload it on Google Drive or Dropbox and share the link via email or Twitter DM. In your email or DM, please specify whether you want to remain anonymous. If you want your name to appear on my video, please state your preferred name. If your preferred name is difficult to pronounce, you can record yourself pronouncing the name in the file you send me. I will wait for 1 to 2 weeks for people to submit their recordings. The minimum number of volunteers I need is 5.